Let us Dendrowalk and Talk. Dendrowalk comes from Dendrology, that was coined about 320 years ago by Ulysses Dendrowaldy in the year 1668. Dendrology, dendro word comes from dendron means wood, and the logos, logi and logos, that's science. So science of woody plants, or you can say the trees or large shrubs, is called dendrology. I'm Dr.Sas.Biswas of Department of Forestry for a Research Institute. I'll just make a short walk for your dendrological feature. You may find this feature that I will show you on some plants, and then as we walk and try to find out this particular tree you just see here. This is called colored trapeze, and it has got the leaf which is simple leaf. There's the midrib, the margin, apex, and the short petiole. Now if I break it, you will find on the tip of my finger white latex that makes it identified by its latex. So we have the characteristic features of dendrological importance. Look at the bark. It's a pale gray and not fissured and so pretty. It has got the node and broken branches has left the kind of the scar from this particular point. The stem came, when it finished, it left this. So this makes the knot, K-N-O-T, and this calotropis is argentea. And here as we move forward, you can see from a distance you can make out with yellow flowers in groups. As we go closer and try to see its leaves, you will find it has got the compound leaf. Let me go closer to show you. You just see here the compound leaf, and here this is the common petiole and the leaflet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pairs. And when the compound leaf is of this type, we call it peripinnate. Peripinnate means it has got perfectly paired. But in case if there is any leaflet coming from here, then all the number of leaflets to be counted. So we find 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs. And from here to this part is called rachis, R-A-C-H-I-S. As we go closer, and you will see it has got the bark with tubercles, or you can say the lenticels. Lenticels, which are made tubercles. From this bark, the tree respires. It takes the oxygen inside and then coming out. So it's a compound leaf. Whereas you will see it here. Let me show you this one. It is also a leaf, but a long lanceolate leaf. See here, you can count the veins. Well, let me go back to the plant. This is Acacia glauca, and you see the flowers. For flowers, I will take another dendrofloral talk and walk, and that will be separate. But you can see from the distance how the flowers appear. And when the flowers are, let me take this flower. And each of the petal can be. Well, I'm Dr. Sas.Biswas, teacher of forestry in Dolphin PhD Institute. Then we go closer to this plant. You see the bark, how it appears, the bark. I'll scratch it. It is green in color, and no sooner it will exude the white latex. Is a typical of the characteristic feature of frangipani, or what is we call plumeria, which was invented by. What's wrong with you? come, I'll teach you to. No. Perhaps he's not agreeing to my activities. Anyway, so you'll find the apex is acute, this is here, and then the margin. So these are all dendrological characteristic feature. Let me walk yet to another tree, and it is just to have a kind of the things. How can you can fall in love with the dendrology? Look how this. You can see here. You see the bark with lenticels, white color of this, the bark, dark gray, and this is the leaf. Let me show you the leaf. So if you see, it's a simple leaf, simple leaf, and all are crowded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Rabindranath Tagore, Kavivar Rabindranath Tagore, he called it Saptaparni. 7 Saptaparni means leaves. And there's in Shantiniketan all area, this is quite abundantly found. Yet another tree that you will like most is this one. Look how the compound leaf and full of the flower. As you see the flowers is a compound leaf that you can see here, and leaflet you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pairs of leaflets, and the two leaves, you can say compound leaves, they are joined at the base. So this is Calyandra hematocephala. Hemato word comes from red color. If I show you the flower, and this is, let me show you here. Look at this, there are several flowers joined at the tip. I'm showing by my index finger, and the stamens are all rising. And then look out here. Let me come to the light. I can do like a powder puff. So powder puff. So that is why this is called a rosy powder puff tree, and this makes a very interesting feature. Well, here the one I show you has got the fruit this is a pod fruit, flat, and it has got the fistula at the tip, and from here this is a fistula here at the tip, and then this was where it was set. You can just see here. So in dendrology we see the major characteristics for identification. I'll just take you for a walk with me, and let's walk. And there are a few trees that can be. Look at this. This is the one that I showed you, Saptaparni, 7 leaves, and it has got the bark. And from the bark, grey color bark, you can see the lenticels white, and from this you can identify it. This is called Elstonia scholaris. Scholar means, small children, they used once upon a time their slate bordered with the wood of this, and that is why this was called scholaris. And you look at the leaf here, and you see here, and I will just show you magic. Turn it here, green. So this color is called glaucous, as if the powder has been done on its surface. As a green ground is glaucous. So there is no hair. Is shining but grey in color. So this is called glaucous, and this is this is glaucous, and this is glabrous, and it makes the identification of very many trees of those. And then from a distance also you can make out, if you can see in this picture, distantly growing eucalyptus trees. Each tree has got its signature for identification. This one is powder puff what is it, Caliandra, Hematocephala. So these were the few trees I told to you. I'll come back again in my second session, Dendrowalk and Talk.